Streaming started as one person doing everything alone. Playing the game, reading chat, moderating, clipping, posting, managing Discord, responding to messages, and trying to stay entertaining the entire time. That model does not scale. The future of streaming includes intelligent systems that support creators in real time, not to replace personality, not to remove authenticity, but to reduce overload and increase performance. Today, we are breaking down how to build an AI co-host for your stream, step by step. Not theory. Structure. Let's begin. Number 1. Define the role of your AI co-host. Before building anything, you must define what your AI co-host actually does. Most creators make the mistake of trying to automate everything at once, and that immediately creates confusion. When an AI is responsible for too many undefined tasks, it becomes inconsistent, intrusive, or distracting. Your AI should have a clear, narrow purpose. Is it managing chat flow, running interactive polls and mini-games, handling moderation and filtering spam, highlighting big in-game moments? Pick one primary function and design around it. Start small. Choose a single core responsibility, such as answering repeated questions in chat, posting useful commands on request, or welcoming new viewers automatically. Then give the AI boundaries. It supports the stream, it does not control it, interrupt you randomly, or override your tone. When roles are clearly defined, the system becomes predictable and reliable. Viewers understand what it's there for. You maintain authority as the creator. Structure reduces friction, prevents chaos, and builds trust over time. An AI co-host is not a replacement personality. It is a specialized assistant with clearly defined responsibilities. Number 2. Choose the right core engine. Your AI needs a brain. In practical terms, that usually means connecting your stream tools to a large language model through an API. The system must be able to read chat in real time, process context quickly, and respond with minimal latency. Speed matters. Even a few seconds of delay can break immersion, disrupt timing, or make responses feel disconnected from the moment. A co-host should feel present, not lagging behind the conversation. But intelligence alone is not enough. Raw capability without guidance produces generic output. You must shape the system with your tone, your humor, your boundaries, and your community standards. Feed it examples of how you greet viewers, how you handle trolls, how you explain recurring questions, and how you celebrate big wins. Define what is off limits. Clarify how serious or playful it should be. Without this structure, the AI will default to bland neutrality. You are not building a simple chatbot that reacts mechanically to prompts. You are building an extension of your brand voice. The clearer your personality framework, the more consistent and trustworthy T. Number 3. Integrate with your streaming software. An AI co-host must connect directly to your broadcast system to be useful. Whether you stream through OBS, Streamlabs, or another platform, the AI needs structured access to live chat input and a reliable way to output responses through overlays or bot messaging. That connection is what transforms it from an isolated script into an active participant in your stream. It should be able to read messages in real time, interpret intent, and respond through chat, on-screen elements, or subtle alerts. This integration enables powerful features, triggering animations, launching polls, surfacing frequently asked answers, highlighting milestones, or displaying smart notifications. But capability does not justify clutter. The key is restraint. Overloading the screen with dynamic elements, pop-ups, or constant AI chatter will distract from gameplay and dilute your presence. Every visual response should have a purpose and a hierarchy of importance. Design the system so it feels native to your stream style. Minimal intentional overlays preserve immersion while still adding value. Integration is where theory becomes function. Without a clean bridge between chat, AI processing, and visual output, the idea remains conceptual instead of operational. Number 4. Build smart chat filtering. Chat moves fast, especially as your audience grows. Your AI must learn to prioritize what truly matters. Not every comment deserves a response, and reacting to everything creates noise instead of value. A strong co-host system understands hierarchy. It distinguishes between casual reactions, inside jokes, genuine questions, moderation risks, and high-signal moments that deserve attention. Start by creating clear filters. Highlight direct questions. Flag repeated phrases that indicate confusion or curiosity. Identify first-time chatters so they can be welcomed intentionally. Detect tone shifts that suggest tension, sarcasm, or potential toxicity. You can also set thresholds. Only respond when a question appears multiple times within a short window or when engagement spikes around a specific topic. This structured filtering allows the AI to respond strategically instead of randomly. It prevents spammy behavior, avoids interrupting the flow, and keeps conversation meaningful. Most importantly, it reduces cognitive overload for you as a creator. The goal is clarity. When the AI speaks, it should feel deliberate, helpful, and aligned with the moment, not automatic or intrusive. Number 5, add real-time moderation support. Moderation should be proactive, not reactive. Instead of waiting for conflict to explode in chat, your AI can continuously scan for harmful language, spam patterns, suspicious links, or escalating aggression. The goal is early detection. When tone shifts or repeated disruptive behavior appears, the system flags it before it derails the stream. That doesn't mean the AI should immediately ban users or act with harsh authority. Smart moderation is layered. The first step might be a quiet, automated reminder about community guideline. If behavior continues, the AI can temporarily slow chat, restrict message frequency, or alert human moderators with a short summary of what triggered concern. Context matters. Escalation should be measured and transparent. This approach protects community culture without creating fear or overcorrection. The AI becomes a shield, not a weapon. It supports your standards while preserving fairness and nuance. When viewers feel safe and respected, engagement increases naturally. Healthy communities grow faster than chaotic ones, and proactive moderation ensures your space remains welcoming, focused, and sustainable over time. Number 6. Enable automated engagement feature. Engagement naturally fluctuates during long streams. Energy dips, chat slows, and momentum can fade if nothing shifts the rhythm. Your AI co-host can monitor activity levels in real time, tracking message frequency, unique participants, response speed, and even sentiment trends. When those signals indicate a slowdown, the system can activate lightweight interaction features to re-energize the room. This might include launching a quick poll tied to the current gameplay decision, asking viewers prediction questions about the next outcome, starting a short time challenge, or spotlighting a random community member for recognition. The key is relevance. Engagement tools should connect directly to what's happening on screen, not feel like unrelated interruption. Most importantly, these features should be triggered by live signals, not rigid timers. Fixed intervals feel mechanical and predictable. Signal-based activation keeps interaction organic and responsive to. When engagement is supported intelligently, momentum remains steady, conversation feels alive, and the stream maintains its atmosphere without forcing hype. Consistency of energy builds retention, and retention builds community. Number 7. Connect to clip generation systems. Your AI co-host can go beyond chat management and actively observe momentum shifts throughout the stream. Emotional spikes leave patterns, chat velocity suddenly increases, repeated emotes flood the feed, viewer count jumps, or your voice rises with excitement during a critical gameplay moment. When multiple signals align within a short window, the AI can recognize that something meaningful just happened. At that point, it can automatically generate a clip, capture the surrounding context, and tag the moment with metadata, game state, viewer activity, sentiment, and timing. After the stream ends, the system can rank these clips based on engagement indicators such as chat density, replay potential, or emotional intensity. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of footage, you review a curated short list of high-probability highlights. This transforms a single live session into multiple pieces of content optimized for different platforms. Shorts, reels, recap videos, thumbnails, all sourced from intelligently detected moments. Efficiency increases without sacrificing authenticity or quality. Content multiplies when systems observe patterns strategically, allowing you to focus on performance while the AI handles capture and organization behind the scenes. Number 8. Build memory and context awareness. An advanced AI co-host does more than react in the moment, it remembers. It tracks returning viewers, recurring topics, running jokes, milestone dates, and patterns of participation. Over time, it builds lightweight context around your community without overwhelming you with data. That memory layer transforms random usernames into recognizable presence. When someone returns after weeks or months away, the AI can quietly notify you how long they've been gone, what they usually engage with, or a past highlight they were part of. It might surface that they reached a subscription milestone soon, or that they frequently ask about a specific game mode. With that context, your response becomes personal instead of generic. A simple welcome back, we missed you lands differently when it's informed. Memory creates connection. Connection builds loyalty. Viewers stay where they feel seen. Without context, AI feels robotic and transactional. With structured memory and thoughtful prompts, it feels integrated, supporting your relationships rather than replacing them. Number 9. Test and refine in controlled phases. Do not launch every capability at once. Even if your AI co-host can handle moderation, engagement triggers, highlight clipping, memory tracking, and automated responses, releasing everything simultaneously will overwhelm both you and your audience. Introduce features gradually. Start with one clearly defined function, observe how it performs, and measure how your community responds. Pay attention to subtle signals. Does chat feel interrupted? Are responses landing well? Is the AI speaking too often or not enough? Monitor direct feedback, but also watch behavioral cues like participation levels and sentiment. Adjust tone. Refine response timing. Tighten filters. Remove or redesign features that feel intrusive or unnecessary. Iteration is what strengthens the system. The best AI co-host is shaped over time through controlled testing and deliberate improvement. Perfection does not come from speed or complexity, it comes from refinement. Controlled growth prevents overload, protects your stream's atmosphere, and ensures each addition genuinely enhances the experience instead of complicating it. Number 10. Keep human authority at the center. No matter how advanced your AI co-host becomes, you remain the leader of your stream. Technology can analyze, filter, trigger, and respond, but it does not replace judgment, instinct, or creative direction. Your voice sets the tone. Your energy shapes the atmosphere. Your decisions override automation at all times. The AI exists to assist your performance, not to steer it. This balance is critical. When automation begins to replace presence, authenticity fades and the stream starts to feel mechanical. Viewers connect to you, not to systems. But when automation is designed to support your presence, reducing overload, organizing chaos, surfacing key moments, your performance actually improves. You gain mental space to focus on storytelling, gameplay, humor, and connection. The future is not creator versus AI. It is creator empowered by AI. The strongest streams will combine human charisma with intelligent infrastructure. One provides personality and leadership. The other provides precision and scale. Together, they create an experience that is both personal and powerful. An AI co-host is not science fiction. It is structured integration, clearly defined roles, clean system architecture, and strategic automation layered into your existing workflow. There is no magic. There is no mystery. There is only thoughtful design. When you break it down, it becomes practical. Connect the model, define responsibilities, filter inputs, control outputs, and refine behavior over time. You do not need to build everything overnight. In fact, you shouldn't. Start with one function that solves a real friction point. Improve it until it feels seamless. Then expand carefully. Each addition should strengthen the stream, not complicate it. Sustainable systems are built through iteration, not ambition alone. The creators who begin building intelligent support structures today will shape tomorrow's streaming standard. While others react to burnout, overload, and platform shifts, you'll already have infrastructure in place. The advantage will not just be creativity, it will be leverage. If you want to design smarter streams and build the future instead of chasing it, subscribe and stay in the shadows.